sorry to keep you waiting. We've actually... Anby and Billy were both making a fuss.
So, you heard everything?
Don't be embarrassed. It happens to all of us.
I'm not embarrassed.
Enough chit-chat. Proxy, what happened just now?
Unauthorized to answer this question. You will receive an answer at the appropriate time and place.
I don't understand real girls, let alone virtual ones. I'd better leave this to you, sis.
You watch too many soap operas, Wise. What are you so happy about?
Master, I noticed a recent deletion and transfer of data to a third party, which will hinder your career as an illegal holo investigator, commonly known as a proxy. I can assist you in recovering your losses and rebuilding your reputation as a proxy.
Wait, so you can recover the deleted data?
Negative. I am unable to recover deleted data, but I can help you rebuild your database. I have unlimited access to over 80% of all smart devices in the city. With my assistance, data does not need to be accumulated, and real-time analysis of holo extraction paths is possible.
That's impossible.
Negative. That is precisely my core function. To prove this, I can assist you in holo investigations. I've sorted through the anonymous forums on the proxy network for holo investigation services and private information gathering, commonly known as Internaut, to find a commission that is appropriate for your current state. Please choose an appropriate time to carry out the operation according to your preference. I look forward to working with you, Master.
Celebrating. Nicole, could you calm down and listen? It's that stupid hacker's fault. They deleted the extraction data
You mean we can't get... all that trouble to get here, but we're no closer to getting out. I didn't expect this would be the end.
Damn. So unfair. I didn't even...
Calm down. We'll figure something out. There's no need for dramatics. I have another solution. I just need the nod from Nicole.
Go for it!
Agreeing a little early, yeah? The mysterious person who hacked into my systems, if that's true, we can use it to get out of the holo. But you'd have to agree to letting me open it.
I already said yeah.
Are you sure it's okay?
It's life and death here! But you already know the code, right?
Yeah, I do. But I don't know exactly what's stored inside. I'm not sure what the consequences of forcefully accessing the data might be. Wait, there's one thing I don't understand. Why risk coming back to help us when your real body was already outside the holo? You could have just left. What are you planning?
Anby!
What a strange question. I'm your proxy. I promised to get you out, so that's what I'll do. And if for some reason I fail, the HDD system will automatically post a commission to get you out on Internaut. If that happens.
Don't worry. Whatever happens, we'll go to the store and save you!
You can say what you want. You're not getting a discount.